Hello saxophone friends. Welcome to the Saxophone Workshop where we teach saxophone and talk saxophone. I am TJ Spencer and I will be your host. In this episode, I'd like to give you 2 tips to ensure that you play in tune. Tip number 1, practice your long tones. When you practice your long tones, you work out your muscles in your stomach, you work out the muscles in your mouth, and you work out the muscles in your ears. Working the muscles in your stomach, you're actually working your diaphragm. When you play long tones, you fill up your belly full of air and you push the air out using your diaphragm. This will ensure that you have a good flow of air, giving you a good tone through the horn. Also, while you play long tones, you're working your embouchure. The mouth is contracting around the mouthpiece and you're working the muscles around the mouth, which gives you better control playing the instrument. It also works out your ears with your tone awareness. As you play your long tones, you should be practicing with a piano or a guitar so you can match the tone of the note that you are playing. When you do this, you're exercising the ears to recognize the pitch of that note, which creates relative pitch. The second tip I'd like to give you to ensure that you play in tune is to use a tuner. Now, I know this might seem pretty obvious, but you would be surprised how many people do not use a tuner to tune their instrument after they warm up. Now, you can pick one up at a guitar center or a music store, Amazon. You can probably buy them for anywhere between $3 and $25. Keep it in your case. When you are ready to play and you are done warming up, take the tuner out, tune it to A440, and tune your horn. Now, when you play the tone of the A440, you want to make the wobbles stop. That will ensure that you are in tune. So as you play the note and you hear the tune, it's going to go wah 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 wah. Once you get the wah wahs out of the tone, you are actually in tune. I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and to learn a little bit more about the saxophone. Go ahead and hit that like button below and subscribe to this channel so you can get updates on when the next video workshop is released. Don't forget to visit our website at www.saxophoneworkshop.com.